Hello, today I'm making Dhaba lamb curry. This is beautiful. Welcome back to How to Cook Great. 1.5 kg of lamb, just over 3 pounds. This lamb has lots of bone in it. 3 cups of tomato, 3 cups of onion. All of these are 2 teaspoons. Turmeric, coriander, cumin, chili, salt, garam, masala, fresh chili, up to you how much you want to put. 2 tablespoons of ginger garlic. Now we're going to mix all of this together in a bowl. My meat's in the bowl. Now I will add the tomato and onion, the garlic, ginger, and fresh chili. Chili, coriander, turmeric, cumin, garam masala, salt, 1 cup of oil. Now we mix. I have some more oil in there, making it hot. 2 teaspoons cumin, dry red chili. Now my dad would put the meat in because it's very hot. High heat, 5 minutes. That's 5 minutes on high heat. Now we'll add 1 liter of water. Medium heat, 1 hour. Stir every now and then. This is a Dhaba curry. Dhaba means roadside restaurant. You find them all over India. They're usually cheap, home-cooked food. The capital of India is New Delhi. India has the biggest population in the world. It just overtook China. I've never been to India, but my dad has been there lots of times. He really loves curry. There are lots of different languages, but usually people speak Hindi. In India, they love cricket. That's my Indian info for today. Let's go back to the cooker. That is 1 hour. Now I will turn off the heat. I would put 1 cup of fresh coriander. My dad will mix. Check the salt. Delicious.
Looks good, doesn't it?
Yep. Job done. My Dhaba lamb curry. You can eat this with rice or roti. Thank you very much. See you soon. Lots of love.
Thanks a lot for getting to the end of the video. If you'd like to give me a thumbs up, that does help us out quite a lot with the algorithm and such like. Subscribe if you like, you'll get notified about what we're doing. There's a thanks button if you want to donate. See you soon.